Hi. In this video, we will have a look at the segmentation feature in Google Analytics. Segmentation helps us categorize users into smaller groups. This is a much simpler way of understanding data in the GA reports, instead of looking at users like a big homogeneous entity. And since it's simpler to understand, it enables us to make better decisions to optimize our website and business. You can segment your data in many ways. If you want to know which country most of your customers belong to, you can do that. You can even check the city they are from. Traffic channels are another essential segmentation. It tells you what channels bring traffic to your website. Is it organic search, or the paid campaigns, or affiliate marketing, or something else? Whatever it is, you would want to revisit the plan that works poorly and optimize it to create a better plan if there is scope for improvement. Once you know where your users are coming from, you can check the landing pages that are performing the best. You can even segment your users based on the device they use, their browser, the type of network they use, their screen resolution, etc. These small details can help improve your website and provide an enhanced user experience. When you start to segment your data, primarily you would want to figure out answers to questions like, what result do you want after segmentation? What dimensions do you need to include? And, after segmenting data once, would you need to segment it again? This will help you to create useful segmentations and help your analysis. Google provides you with pre-segmented reports that can help you start with your analysis. Once you understand what you want, you can start using custom segmentations. You can access the Google Analytics pre-segmented reports using the side panel. Just open the drop-down menu for the kind of reports you want, then click again on the drop-down for specific data you want to see, and select one of the pre-segmented reports. If you click any specific row in the pre-segmented reports, you can get more details about that group. For example, in the age report, you can click on 18 to 24. This will show you more details about the users who belong to this specific age segment. You can also add a secondary dimension to these reports. Suppose we want to see the page that users visit the most, and we also want to know the age of those users. For this, we will simply click Secondary Dimension at the top of the table and then select the dimension we want, and this will give us a report that will look something like this. Now, suppose we only want to see the users who use a phone and are in the age group 18 to 24 for all the reports on your Google Analytics window. As we have seen in our previous videos, we can filter the table using the advanced filter, but the drawback here is that we will have to do that every single time for every single report. An easier way to do this is to create a new and customized segment for your Google Analytics reports. This new segment applies to all the reports that Google Analytics offers. You would have to scroll up here and click on Add Segment. Here, you can choose from the segments that Google has already configured for you. These are pretty self-explanatory. But you can also add your custom segment by clicking the Add New Segment button. Give this new segment any name of your choice. Now, configure your desired options. Here, we will select 18 to 24 in demographics and then add mobile in technology. We will click Save, and we are done. If you want to compare this data against all the other users, you can simply add another segment. For this, we will again head to the Add Segment tab. Since All Users is pre-configured in Google Analytics, just select it and click Apply. Now, you will see these two graphs, and you can compare these for your analysis. You have now understood how to use the pre-segmented reports in Google Analytics, and even create your custom reports. We hope you enjoyed the video. We will see you in the next one.